Hi, welcome to Vanwise in Harlow. My name's Paul, and today I'm going to be taking you around one of our Maxus Edeliver 3 52.5 kilowatt electric vans. So let's have a look around. So as I've said, this is the Maxus Edeliver 3 52.5 kilowatt electric van. On a full charge, this vehicle will take you a maximum of 213 miles. To charge up, it will cost you only £12 from a BP filling station, and it will do an 80% charge in just 45 minutes. So this van comes with an impressive 5 years manufacturer's warranty up to 125,000 miles. They'll also give you 5 years breakdown cover, and you'll also have 8 years battery warranty as well. With all of our vans, we do protect the bodywork with a Gardex triple layer treatment. And as you can see, the bodywork on this van is in fantastic condition. On the front of the vehicle is the charging port. Just a short tap, and that will lift up. And to close it, just another short tap to lock that down. So, as for charging, you will be provided with 2 charging packs. This one on the left is a mains powered charger, so this will charge up from your mains power at home. This end here will plug straight into the front of the vehicle. The second pack that you'll get is one to charge from any EV charging port, such as those at filling stations. So in the back of the vehicle, as you can see, the back doors open to 180 degrees. This will allow for easy loading and unloading in small spaces. You also have some harness points so that you can secure any load down nice and securely for added safety. In terms of dimensions, from the bulkhead to the back doors, you have 210 centimetres. Across the width of the vehicle in the main section, 160 centimetres, narrowing down to 140 centimetres between the wheel arches. And in height, we have 130 centimetres. There's also, as you can see, an LED light in the back for added illumination in dark areas. And as you can see, the whole of the back is lined for a very, very nice finish. So moving into the driver's side of the vehicle, as you can see inside the door panels, there is plenty of room for storage. The windows are electronically controlled, and there's electronic switches for the door locks. As you can see, the upholstery is finished off to an incredibly high standard, and for added convenience, there are armrests for both the driver and passenger, and the headrests are both fully adjustable. And for added convenience, there are also 2 cup holders for the driver and the passenger, amongst extra storage in the centre. Also in the centre, just at the front, there are 2 switches which will control the electronically heated seats. And moving over to the front section, just behind the steering wheel to the right, there are electronically controlled mirrors. You've got traction control, eco mode and a regular mode, as well as heated mirrors as well. The steering wheel also has controls for the multimedia system and for hands-free calling, as well as controls for the cruise control and the speed limiter. In the centre of the vehicle, there's more storage, along with a 12-volt charging socket and a USB socket. Climate controls are there with air conditioning included. There's a 7-inch touchscreen multimedia system and an automatic 3-setting gearbox as well. Starting up the vehicle. As you can see on the screen, this vehicle has only done 9 miles. It is brand new. The battery indicator is on the right there, showing a full charge. This vehicle also has automatically controlled headlights. As I said, the multimedia system is a touchscreen system. It can connect for USB audio streaming and Bluetooth audio streaming as well. And it will connect to an Apple or an Android device without any difficulty at all. Also on the vehicle, you do have reversing sensors and parking sensors on the front, and there is also a reversing camera as shown there. So thank you very much for joining me today at Van Wise in Harlow to have a look around this Maxus Edeliver 3 52.5 kilowatt van. As you can see, it really is a fantastic vehicle, and we've been able to get them at a great deal to pass such a fantastic offer on to yourselves. You can own one of these vehicles for as little as £383 a month, and we'll throw in a £3,000 dealer contribution towards that as well. If there's anything at all that I can do to help you with purchasing one of these vehicles or any of the other guys here, please feel free to make contact, give us a phone call or drop us an email, and we'll even call you back if it's more convenient for yourself, and we'll do whatever we can to assist you in purchasing one of these vans. Thank you again for joining me. I hope I've been helpful in providing extra information and showing you some of the features that this fantastic van has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to give me a 5-star review for it. And thank you again, and have a wonderful day.